Hey guys, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the Animal Donut Show. Today, a very special video. I'm going to tell you about my experience with this bike helmet. This is the Giro Aries Spherical. It was the winner of the 2024 bicycle helmet crash test. I made a video about this a few months ago because I just bought a new e-bike. And I wanted to get a helmet that I could count on. There are so many drivers out there. People are texting, they're looking at their watches, they're looking at their phones, they're getting calls, and it's just really dangerous out there because if we are sharing the road with cars, we're in danger, whether you like it or not. So I wanted to get a really safe helmet, and all of the research I did, the articles I read, and the crash test that I read about in great detail suggested that this was the winner. When you unclip it, the helmet does not fall off your head. I'm now unclipped, right? So the reason this is good is that if you're in a bike crash, your hands, everything is like focused right on breaking your fall, or your hands go out to stop. And so this will be attached to you, but I think it's very confidence inspiring knowing that the helmet fits so well that even without it being clipped on, it stays on my head. And the reason for this, there's a little dial in the back. I'm gonna open this up and remove this now, is that there's this little dial. So right now I'm loosening and the ratchet happens, listen, as you tighten it. It's now fully tightened. So when it's time to take it off, you just turn it in this way to loosen. These micro adjustments, they ensure that the helmet is secured to your head, and it's a very comfortable feel. It's almost like a little hug on your head, helping to keep the helmet in place. So what I do is I put it on and then I just turn it a few clicks until it's tight. And a lot of times I have to turn it in order to remove it. And that's like the way it should be, because I think that once you put this on, you'll want it so that it's just snug enough to be on you in the event that you banged your head on something. You don't want it to slide off. So then I clip this, of course, because I think if you did hit your head on something, there would be a likelihood that this would get jostled out of place. One thing I want to point out to anybody that's thinking of getting this helmet or any bike helmet, if you're experienced at adjusting bike helmet straps, then you're all set. But if you haven't done this before, or if you're not sure exactly how to tighten these, I would just go to a bike store near you and ask them if they will help you adjust your helmet. And most bike stores that I've gone to will be happy to have one of their technicians, one of their mechanics, help you to do that. And it's really the kind of thing that's not hard to do, but if you've never done it before, it's hard to sometimes get the straps to fit right. And as a result, if your bike helmet doesn't have a really excellent adjustment in the back, even if it does, the helmet is going to be vulnerable to moving upon impact. So I think that this is a great idea. And as you can see, this is just because I took a little time, but these straps lay nicely across my face on both sides. I think that they should be secure and like against you, but not so tight that you're not comfortable. And as you can see, like, this is a very comfortable setup. I could wear this for hours, it doesn't bother me, yet it's tight enough that if I were to bang my head, this isn't going anywhere. So some of you might notice, if you watched the earlier video, that I had a white bike helmet in that video, and now I'm wearing a blue one. So I really like the color blue, and even though the white helmet I thought provided a little more visibility, I just wanted my helmet to be like a cool blue color. So what I did was I returned that one and I bought this one in blue, which, it's just the same helmet. It's the Giro Aries Spherical bike helmet. But I just decided, you know what? I want a helmet that has the color that I like. So I got this. And then because I wanted it to be really visible, I went on Amazon and I bought this wide reflective tape. It's, as you can see, red and yellow. And I actually think having this tape is better than just having the white helmet, because in the night when this tape gets hit by a headlight, a bike light, a car light, whatever, it really lights up. Like these lines of tape just reflect light right back out. So it's kind of the best of all worlds. I'm able to wear the helmet in the color I like and also have a pretty visible set of lights along there and reflective tape. So anyways, that is just the update for you. So I just wanted to make this video here to let you know about my experience with this Giro Aries spherical bike helmet. I'm not sponsored in any way to make this video. I just wanted to share with you my honest experience wearing this. It has been a delight. It's comfortable, it's lightweight, and so I really want to put this on when I go out for a bike ride. It's something I actually look forward to putting on when I'm getting ready to leave. If you have any other questions about this helmet or anything about biking or e-bikes, put it in the comment section. I will do my best to get back to you right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.